Hey friends, welcome back to Speak Slow English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Today's episode is for beginners, for anyone who wants to learn English but isn't sure where to begin.
Exactly. You want to make progress, but maybe you don't know what to do first.
Well, don't worry. Today, we'll give you a different plan. A plan that makes learning English feel easy and maybe even fun.
Let's begin. All right, let's talk about something very helpful. It's called a theme.
A theme. What's a theme exactly?
A theme is a topic, a subject, something you can talk about. For example, food, home, family, shopping, the weather. Each of these is a different theme.
Got it. So, what's the big idea here?
Each week, choose just one theme. Not many, not 5. Just one topic, one theme, one focus.
Why only one?
Because when you focus on one theme, you understand more, remember more, and you feel less tired.
I like that. Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine this week you choose the theme food. That means every day this week you look at food words, you listen to short English about food, you speak or write short food sentences.
So you don't study everything at once. Not verbs, grammar, clothes, and animals all in one day.
Exactly. You focus only on food. Day by day, your brain makes stronger connections. The food words stay in your memory.
Like writing words such as bread, rice, eggs, chicken.
Right. And you can make simple sentences like, I eat rice. My mom cooks chicken.
Or listen to a video about shopping or cooking. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay. You're hearing real English.
Maybe next week your theme is the home. You learn words like bed, door, window, kitchen, table, sofa.
You can write sentences like I sit on the sofa. I open the window. I clean the kitchen.
Then another week, you choose feelings. Words like happy, sad, tired, excited, scared.
And write sentences like I feel tired today. She is happy. He looks sad.
This is slow learning, but strong learning. You're not rushing. You're not stressed.
You're building your English like building a house. One room at a time, one theme at a time.
Exactly. You can write your theme on paper or your phone. Each week, one new theme. After 10 weeks, you know 10?
And slowly, you begin to speak, to understand, and to feel proud of yourself.
So remember, don't study everything. Study one thing at a time. Choose one theme every week. Stay with it, use it, and enjoy it.
Now, let's talk about something very important. Something that can help you learn faster and remember more.
Yes, connect English to your emotions.
Emotions?
Yes. What are emotions? They're your feelings. When you're happy, that's an emotion. When you're sad, that's also an emotion. You can feel angry, excited, nervous, scared, or proud.
And what do emotions have to do with English?
A lot. When you feel something, when you feel an emotion, your brain remembers more. It learns better.
Can you give an example?
Sure. You hear a joke in English. You laugh, you smile, you feel happy, and you don't forget that sentence.
Because you felt something. Joy.
Exactly. Or maybe you listen to a short story about a mother and her child. You feel love. You feel warm inside.
That's how we learn best. Not just with our eyes or ears, but with our feelings.
So how can you connect emotions to English? Let's share a few ways.
Number 1, watch short videos or movie scenes. Not just to learn words, but to feel something.
Even if you don't understand everything, watch the faces, listen to the voices, feel the moment.
Number 2, listen to music in English. Songs often talk about love, hope, sadness, or joy.
Listen with your heart. Maybe you like the rhythm. Maybe one line feels special. That feeling helps you remember.
Number 3, read simple stories. Even short ones can make you feel surprised, calm, or curious. That emotion helps you learn more deeply.
And one more. Talk or write about your feelings. Say things like, I feel tired. I am happy today. My friend is sad.
When you use your own feelings in English, it becomes personal, real.
You're not just learning a language, you're living the language.
That's powerful. Children learn like this, with feelings, connection, and emotion.
So don't be afraid to feel something when you learn. That feeling is part of your journey. Okay, now let's talk about something that helps you learn English every day, without stress, pressure, or long study sessions.
You don't need to study for hours. You don't need to sit at a desk for a long time. You don't need to feel tired or bored.
Instead, have small English moments.
What's a moment?
A short time, maybe 1 minute, maybe 5. Small, simple moments, but they can help you grow and improve.
Let's try some examples.
In the morning, you wake up, stretch, brush your teeth. Say one English sentence. I feel sleepy. The water is cold. I have a meeting today.
That's a real moment, connected to your life.
During the day, you walk to the bus stop. Look at the sky. Think in English. The sun is shining. It is cloudy. There are many people today.
Even 2 sentences help. When you open your lunch, look at your food. Try naming it in English. I like oranges. The tea is hot.
Before bed, think about your day. Say 2 or 3 sentences in English. I worked today. I called my sister. I read a book.
That's your final English moment for the day.
In one day, you might have 4 or 5 small English moments, each just a few minutes, but together, they're powerful.
They make English natural, a habit like brushing your teeth or drinking water.
Exactly. That's the secret. Not hours, not pressure, just small, simple, beautiful English moments every day.
Many people begin learning English with a book or an app.
But today, we want you to start with your world.
Your home, your street, your kitchen, the things you see and touch every day.
Right. Start learning English with your life. Look around you.
In the morning, do you make tea or coffee? Open the window? Check your phone?
These are small things, but they're real, and real things are great for learning.
Ask yourself, what do I call this in English? What's the name of this object?
For example, go to the kitchen, open the fridge, look at one food item, ask yourself, what is this called in English?
Maybe it's milk, maybe cheese. If you don't know, no problem. Check it. Use your phone or a picture dictionary.
But only one word. One is enough.
Because one word today and one tomorrow becomes many words over time.
Now, try outside. Go for a walk. Look around.
Do you see a tree, a car, a dog, a bus?
Say the word in English. If you don't know it, check again. Choose one word and speak it, out loud or silently in your mind.
That word becomes part of your day, part of your life.
And that's powerful because when you learn English this way, you're not just studying, you're living English.
It's not just a subject anymore. It becomes something you use, something connected to you.
And that, my friend, is the best way to learn. Okay, my dear friend, if you've listened to this whole episode, that means you are learning.
You're already on the path. You're doing something powerful.
You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to keep going, step by step, day by day, moment by moment.
And remember, you're not alone. There are many people like you, learning slowly, kindly, with love.
You're doing something beautiful, and we're proud of you.
Thank you for being here with us today. Thank you for listening, and thank you for learning.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
Bye for now.